Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with the halachot of Chanukah. Siman Tafresh Pebet. Sif Aleph says Maran, all the 8 days of Chanukah we're going to say Al Hanissim, whether we're talking about in Birkat Hamazon, in Birkat Haaretz, or in the Amidah, in the Tfilah, in Birkat Modim. And now Maran says, V'im lo amar, however, though if a person did not say it, em mechzirinu, so you do not retract, which means that unlike other parts, you will not go back if you forgot Al Hanissim. Nevertheless, says Maran, Umiu im niskar be'ota bracha, if you remember in the same bracha, kozman shelo iskiret Hashem, as long as you didn't mention the name of Hashem, even if it was between Baruch Atah and Hashem, you're going to go back and you're going to say it. Now the Ramah does bring in that in the Birkat Hamazon, you would actually say the Al Hanissim in the Rachamans, which means you would say Arachamanu yaseh lanu nisim, right, v'niflaot, keshem sh'asit avotim mizeh, b'imei matatiyah, and then you continue. So there is a makeup during the Birkat Hamazon that even though there we do a Birkat Haaretz, remember that we're doing it over there, right after the Nodeh Lecha, right, and we're thanking HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So to an Amidah, it's when we're thanking HaKadosh Baruch Hu in the Hodah towards the end. So therefore, but when you're doing this in the Birkat Hamazon, you're able to come and you're able to add in. Now it's very, very important that when we are saying the Al Hanissim, right, first of all, he comes and he says over here that a person should be very careful not to forget the Al Hanissim, whether it's in the Amidah or Birkat Hamazon. That's what we're done in the Rav Chida. Okay, and again, we already mentioned that the Ikar of the Hodah, the purpose of Chanukah was always to thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So therefore, during Birkat Hamazon, where Birkat HaOdah is Nodeh Lecha, we're thanking Hashem. So that's what we do the Al Hanissim. And in Amidah, which the last 3 berachot are Birkat HaOdah, thanking HaKadosh Baruch Hu, which is basically Retzeh, and saying Modim Anachnu Lach. So right after Modim, right after thanking Hashem, that's where we're going to come and we're going to mention this halakha of this concept of Al Hanissim as well. The same halakha would apply. Seif Bet says, Gam Musaf Shel Shabbat V'Shel Rosh Chodesh. Also we mention of Chanukah, even though there's no Musaf on Chanukah, which means that's the reason why this morning, or every single morning other than Shabbat or Rosh Chodesh, so will come out on Wednesday, we don't say Kaddish Tit Kabbalah after Hallel. We only do Chetzi Kaddish after Hallel. Right? Why do we do Chetzi Kaddish after the Hallel? Because we didn't finish the Tfilah. If we do the Kaddish Tit Kabbal, it means that we finish Shachrit, and then we're going to have another Tfilah afterwards, which is going to be Musaf. During Chanukah, we don't have that, so we only say Chetzi Kaddish. And once we finish the Chetzi Kaddish, then right away we come and we start the Petichat HaEchal, because you don't say Kaddish Tit Kabal until after the full, right, after the Uva Letzion, like a normal day, because there's no Musaf. Now during Rosh Chodesh or Shabbat, there is Musaf, but still, even though there's Musaf and there's no Musaf on Chanukah, you still mention also Al Hanissim. So those are just 2 important halachot that we should remember throughout the days of Chanukah.